Summer. Summer is a time of warmth, fun, and adventure. It is the season when the sun shines bright and the days are long. Many people look forward to summer because it brings a break from school, vacations, and plenty of outdoor activities. Let's explore the beauty and excitement that summer brings. One of the best things about summer is the warm weather. The temperature rises and the sun stays out longer. People can wear light clothes like shorts, t-shirts, and sandals. No more heavy coats or boots. The sunshine makes everything feel bright and happy. The warm air feels good after the cool days of spring. With warm weather comes plenty of outdoor fun. Summer is the perfect time to go to the beach. Many people love to spend their days swimming in the ocean or relaxing by the water. The sound of the waves, the soft sand, and the fresh sea breeze make the beach a great place to enjoy the summer sun. Some people enjoy building sandcastles, collecting seashells, or playing beach volleyball. Swimming is one of the most popular activities during summer. Whether it's in the ocean, a lake, or a swimming pool, the water helps cool you down on a hot day. Children and adults alike have fun splashing around, floating on the water, or diving under the waves. Some people also like to try water sports like surfing, jet skiing, or paddleboarding. Summer is also a time for travel and adventure. Many families go on vacation during the summer months. They visit new places, explore nature, or simply relax in a different environment. Some people go camping in the mountains, where they can hike, fish, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Others might visit amusement parks, where they can ride roller coasters and play games. For many children, summer means freedom from school. Summer vacation is a time to relax, have fun, and spend time with friends. Kids enjoy riding bikes, playing outside, and staying up late. Many kids also go to summer camps, where they can learn new skills, play sports, and make new friends. Campfires, roasting marshmallows, and telling stories are some of the best parts of summer camp. Barbecues are another popular summer activity. Families and friends gather in their backyards to grill burgers, hot dogs, and vegetables. The smell of food cooking on the grill fills the air. People sit outside, enjoying the warm evening, eating good food, and talking with loved ones. Barbecues are a fun and easy way to spend time together during the summer. Summer is also the season of fresh fruits and vegetables. Many fruits, like watermelon, strawberries, and peaches, are in season during summer. These fruits are sweet, juicy, and perfect for hot days. Fresh salads, grilled vegetables, and cold drinks are also popular in the summer because they are light and refreshing. In addition to outdoor fun and fresh food, summer also brings longer days. The sun rises early and sets late, giving people more time to enjoy their day. Long summer evenings are perfect for sitting outside and watching the sunset. Some people like to have bonfires, where they gather around the fire, tell stories, and enjoy the peaceful summer night. Summer nights are also great for stargazing. The warm weather makes it comfortable to lie outside and look up at the sky. On a clear night, you can see thousands of stars twinkling above. Some lucky people might even see shooting stars. Stargazing is a peaceful way to enjoy the beauty of nature. Summer is a season full of festivals and celebrations. Many towns and cities hold outdoor concerts, fairs, and carnivals. People enjoy live music, rides, and games. These events bring people together to celebrate the season. In some places, there are fireworks displays that light up the sky, especially on holidays like the 4th of July in the United States. Sports are also a big part of summer. Many people enjoy playing outdoor sports like soccer, baseball, and tennis. The warm weather makes it easy to stay active and have fun outside. Children and adults join summer leagues or play games with friends at the park. Summer is also the season for big sporting events, like the Summer Olympics or the World Cup, where people from all over the world come together to compete. For those who enjoy art and creativity, summer is a great time to explore new hobbies. Many people use the long days to paint, draw, or take photographs of nature. Summer gardens filled with flowers, sunsets over the ocean, and forests glowing in the golden light of evening are all sources of inspiration. Some people also enjoy writing or making music during the relaxed days of summer. Summer also brings a sense of freedom and adventure. The long days and warm nights make people want to explore new places, try new things, and spend time with friends and family. Whether it's a road trip to a new city, hiking a mountain trail, or simply spending the day at the park, summer is a time for adventure and discovery. While summer is full of fun and excitement, it is also a time to relax. Many people enjoy sitting outside with a good book, lying in a hammock, or simply taking a nap in the sun. The sound of birds singing, the feel of a gentle breeze, and the warm sun on your skin create a peaceful atmosphere. Summer gives people the chance to slow down, unwind, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. In conclusion, summer is a season of warmth, fun, and freedom. The warm weather, long days, and outdoor activities make it a time to enjoy life and create lasting memories. Whether it's swimming in the ocean, going on vacation, playing sports, or simply relaxing in the sun, summer has something for everyone. It is a season that brings people together and reminds us to enjoy the beauty of the world around us.